Congratulations on becoming a certified Ontario Eco School.
Félicitations pour votre certification Éco-École.
Thank you for conserving energy by turning off the lights.
Merci d'avoir l'énergie en éteignant les lumières et les moniteurs.
Helping your school by recycling responsibly.
Instaurez votre école un programme de recyclage efficace.
Reducing what goes to our landfill by packing waste-free lunches.
Monitoring your monitors to save energy.
Planter des arbres de façon responsable.
Planting trees and caring for them.
Making the outdoors your classroom. Raising awareness about climate change.
Walking to school.
Initier un programme marchant à l'école.
Using reusable water bottles to improve your health and the health of the planet.
Improving biodiversity by planting native plants and providing habitats for local species.
Working as a team and celebrating your success.
Using goose paper and saving trees.
Thank you for making a difference at your school.
Your leadership, dedication, and hard work are making the world a better place.
Congratulations, and thank you for your leadership in helping the environment. As a certified eco school, you are helping to build a cleaner, brighter future for all Ontarians. Félicitations et merci de votre leadership pour aider l'environnement. Étant qu'Éco-École certifiée, vous contribuez à bâtir un avenir plus propre et plus brillant pour tous les Ontariens et Ontariennes. Merci.
Congratulations. You have all worked so hard and should be proud of all of your accomplishments this year. You are part of a growing network of schools across the province who are addressing environmental issues. Your leadership has a positive impact on your school, your board, your community, and on the environment. With over 1,750 schools certifying from Windsor to Thunder Bay to Ottawa, Eco Schools are leading the way to a greener future.
No one can whistle a symphony.
It takes a whole orchestra to play it.
Join us. Help make our world a better place. Become an Eco School.